Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. We went to overnight camping at Inland Sea and Desert, which is located at Qatar and Saudi border. We reached around 8 p.m. late evening and the fun night started with BBQ grills and amazing experience under the stars and sea. Next morning, we woke to beautiful sunrise. It's an amazing experience. The sea is so beautiful and clean, we can see our feet under the water. Some people were fishing, which is one more thing you can do over there. We came home with lots of memories, with a promise to ourselves of visiting soon. For more details about location and travels, check out the website in the description. Thank you for watching.